We have many airdrops to talk about, as well as the potential MetaMask combined with the linear airdrop and why you need to listen closely. So with that said, we jump straight to the laptop. First thing first, the trade from yesterday. If you did follow my video, we're up $6,100. So we're gonna go and sell this one right here at a profit. We close the position, and then I will go and buy about $42,000 in hype long and about $36,000. Actually, let me go and put a little bit less over here, about let's see, 2,500 link, 30,000 in links long, as we see here, and we open it, and I'm able to trade with $70,000. Why? Because I trade over on Breakout is a prop firm, is not an exchange. And as you see here, I was able to buy a $50,000 account, which I was then able to grow it until 73,000 for only $450, which is why I do trade on prop firm, because you make more money. 10% of 5,000 of 50,000 is a $5,000 profit. 10% of $450, which is what it costs to buy you this account, is only $45. So I trade here on a Breakout. So make sure to join through the link down below. Use my code and you will get yourself a discount as well. You can start off with a $5,000 account for only $50. So you can trade with 5,000 paying $50. You get $5,000 in your account, 10,000, 25,000, 50,000, or all the way up to the big boys league for a 100,000 funded account for only $725. So I will leave it there. But as you see here, I have opened two current long, both on hype and link, my two conviction plays for this cycle. And we come back to that tomorrow. Next, all of you that are interested, I also have a free to join Telegram channel right here where we do technical analysis, profit, and sharing all the updates and everything. So come and join to the link down below. I share them for free. I also share when I take profit, where is my profit, etc. So come and join me. We also have the Aster airdrop checker, which it is now live. The link will be down below. The claiming starts in 5 days, so no claims yet. But you can go and check your allocation. I will leave the link down below. The TG is in 5 days, as we see right here. And if you do have some allocation, you will find it right here. Simply connect your wallet and you are good to go. In terms of another trade that I do have a long position here on Weex, which is a non-KYC exchange, so everybody can join. We did open it yesterday together, and we are $200 in profit over here at a 70% profit. There is a 20% bonus for all of you, which means you deposit $1,000, you get $200 for free. You get 20% of what you deposit for free to go and trade. So you can simply deposit money, trade with your free money, and you don't lose anything. Actually, you can make money, as we're doing here with the link long, which I did share yesterday. So make sure to join Weex as a non-KYC exchange. You can trade from anywhere in the world, no matter where you are. Deposit, get the bonus, go trading, get some money, make some money. You have all the way up to a $800 bonus. And as well, come and join me over on Breakout if you want to trade with a bigger account with $50,000, $100,000. Link down below. Use my code and you will get yourself a cheeky discount. Next up, we also have the Black Mirror airdrop. Phase 1 is now completed, as we see right here. You can go and check it if you did receive the airdrop. You can open your debunk transaction history and see if the Mirror token shows up on the base chain. What does this mean? Well, it simply means that if you go to Debunk right here, Debunk is a website, in case you didn't know, and it is your go-to portfolio tracker. Super easy. I utilize in the crypto space, absolutely yes. I will leave the link down below as well to go and have it in a better way. You can see everything that it is within your wallet, as we see here with the Hyperliquid, the Linea token, and all of them goodies thing right here. The account that you do have it, where are the money, where are the funds, the vaults, etc., etc. As you see, you can definitely see it over here. And then simply go to, as we see here, you go open the transaction history and see if the Mirror one has been opened. So from your portfolio on the top left right here, in case you don't see it, you go over here to the transactions, and in the transaction you will see it. Simply slide down and see whether or not you did receive it. I received $100. I received 5,000 FXTL, which it is probably a scam token, so do not integrate with it, but I don't have it. In case you do have it, you will see it right here. So that's where you go and see this airdrop. In case you did receive it, super simple, not yet to go and sell it, so make sure to wait for that. We also have the Karak upcoming token, which is coming out. As we see here, the Karak Network Foundation unveils a JDP token. This is gonna be the name, GDP token. And so Karak is also coming. I know a lot of you probably have farmed it because it was kind of a big protocol. I personally didn't, but if you did, make sure to go and check it because it is very nice and interesting. Next up, we have the One Football Club pre-token generation event. Portal is also now live. Now, we did see this a couple of days ago, and a couple of weeks ago, but you can go and join now by simply connecting your email, which you did do it, and simply put the code here. You will receive it, and then you are good to go. So make sure to go and do that one. And this is the email associated, for example, with the with the Twitter or the YouTube or simply anything that you want. Doesn't have to be actually associated. You can actually go and build yourself one right now, and simply get it over there if you just want a new email, which is absolutely cool as well. So do not worry about it. Next up, I do want to talk about the rumors about the MetaMask airdrop, and the one that you only will receive it if you do keep your Linea token. Now, as we see here, this is the photo posted by the MetaMask CEO Joseph Lubin. Just holding Linea will open up further rewards opportunities, mostly in other tokens, some from consensus and some from protocols that we are aligned with. MetaMask and Linea are cooking something together to make this happen. Together, we're able to bootstrapping the Linea token economy. Holding Linea tokens signals that you are a Linea community member and are likely engaged in productivity or productive Linea economic activities, building, liquidity provision, stacking, using, collecting, etc. So if we notice that as some data in the future you've held the Linea tokens for M amount of days, for any amount of days, that just might lead to another token landing in your account, which means do not sell your Linea token, do not sell your Linea airdrop. I personally did not sell my Linea airdrop. We can see it right here. It is going strong over here on, not on the Binance one, but you need to go to the Linea one. I haven't sold it yet, simply because I do believe in the product. And I will actually go and provide liquidity with my Linea token. I will provide liquidity to one of the protocols so that I'm also earning APR and APY with it, which is actually really, really nice. So it does seem like the MetaMask token, if there's going to be an airdrop, we know that the USDC or the stablecoin of MetaMask is going to come out soon on the Linea community, on the Linea ecosystem, as well as on Ethereum. Only those two, no Arbitrum, no Optimism, none of that. And potentially that one is not going to be airdrop. But if MetaMask, when MetaMask will decide to do their airdrop, holding and putting into good use the Linea token, so without selling it, but maybe providing liquidity, lending it, borrowing, doing some of those, then yes, that could lead to you receiving the airdrop. And there are protocols on the Linea ecosystem that will have an airdrop as well. So you might as well just put your Linea to work, wait for the MetaMask airdrop, wait for all of them airdrops as well, because it is really, really important. And that's what I think you should do, especially for the MetaMask airdrop. But going back to what we opened up at the beginning of the video, for all of you that have remained until then, as you see here, with a breakout account. Why is it nice? Well, because if I sell everything right now, I've already made $172 while talking to you for about 8 minutes. So $200 up because link is going up and hype is going up. This is why I do like breakout, because in just an 8 minute, 9 minute, you can make a daily middle class income for $100, $200 a day, which if you do this every day, you do get about $6,000 per day. So this is why I do trade on breakout. And the same goes, by the way, for my link long overall Weex. Here we have it actually at 24,521, and we keep on growing. We were at 68, now we're at 73% profit. So make sure to come and join me, come and trade with me. All of these calls, by the way, for all of you that are interested, I also have a free to join Telegram channel right here where we do technical analysis, profit, and sharing all the updates and everything. So come and join to the link down below. I share them for free. I also share when I take profit, where is my profit, etc. So come and join me. But as you've seen, we are in a very, very nice and juicy profit. So with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.